Out of ammo. Damn, y'all don't move. You didn't even hit me, bro. I got it on camera. Dude, it went right past me.